Welcome back, kids. Today we have with us a rising cultural icon. Please welcome Ngozi Wright.
Thank you for having me.
You're very welcome. So, tell us about yourself.
My name is Ngozi Wright. I'm 13 years old. I am a dub poet. I started poetry when I was 2 years old.
Little boy, what you doing out here? Where's your parents? We don't have none. Let's build the sea for Jamaica. No pedophile per reaper. Let's build the sea for Jamaica. No pedophile per reaper. Wake up, Jamaica. Listen. So much children are missing. No more hopscotch, no more niceness. The whole country in a crisis.
Alright, that is very, very cool. So, what do you love most about the poetry?
I love the vibes that it gives me, the energy. I like how you can address certain issues while also being very entertaining, and you can also be funny with it, and I really enjoy that.
Hey, big man, load the little picnic. Go on with your sweetie, you can't trick me. Take your old car and go on where you are go. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. God's gift to mankind, little children. Stars will shine, don't kill them. Murderer, you are go burn in a hell. You touch a little picnic, me I go tell. Kids don't talk to no stranger. Run and scream in a danger.
How did you become a dub poet?
When I was 2 years old, I learned, my grandmother had this plaque on the wall, and it was a prayer, and my mom taught me it, and when I was saying it, she said that I sounded like I was saying a poem. So with my dad being a dub poet, she asked him to write a poem for me, and that's how the poem Hey Big Man came about, and I just got into dub poetry from that.
From who love Jamaica, put up on the hand.
Jam down writers, jam down writers. Are you are the future generation? Jam down writers, jam down writers.
Are you at the future with the nation?
Let me tell them something. So I write from Kingston City,
Where the sun shine bright and pretty.
fed by elders' wisdom. Soon come run this kingdom.
Who knew that we would be greater and that a female would lead Jamaica? With all the fathers to celebrate the strength, Jamaicans were very
Independent, jam down writers, jam down writers.
Are we at the future generation?
Jam down writers, jam down writers.
Are we at the future with the nation?
I make a big up all the top people right here now. This is the land of
kings and queens.
Jamaican.
Jamaicans must reign supreme.
one love, one heart,
United in a dream.
working together as a
team.
So, who's your favorite dub poet and why?
My favorite dub poet is my dad because he really inspires me and he really pushes me to do great.
That is amazing. So, what is it like to win all of those awards?
It's really exciting, and it's very motivating to know that I'm so young and to know that I have the passion to do something so great and to do something I love while also winning awards. It's really great and it gives me a nice feeling.
Right, I'm sure those awards must be flooding your room. What do you want to be when you grow up?
When I grow up, I'd like to become the first female Governor General of Jamaica.
We would like to thank Ngozi for chatting with us today. Now here's her piece, Jam Down Baby.
Jam Down Baby by Ngozi Wright. Jam down baby, jam down baby. Are we at the future generation? Jam down baby, jam down baby. Are we at the future for the nation? I rise from Kingston City, when the sun shines bright and pretty. Fed by elders' wisdom, soon come run this kingdom. Who knew that we would be greater and that a female would lead Jamaica? With all of the falls to celebrate the strength, Jamaica, we're very independent. Jam down, baby, jam down, baby. And we are the future generation. Jam down, baby, jam down, baby. And we are the future for the nation. This is the land of kings and queens. Jamaicans must reign supreme. One love, one heart, united in a dream, working together as a team. Scientists claim is a mystery, fastest human in a history. If a reggae music are blazing the track, salute the green, the gold and the black. If a reggae music are blazing the track, salute the green, the gold and the black. Jam down, baby, jam down, baby. And we are the future generation. Jam down, baby, jam down, baby. And we are the future for the nation.
Well, guys, we have come to the end of our cultural journey. But don't worry, we have many more adventures in store for you.
That's right. Make sure to tune in to Watch and Win, the show where you have fun watching and even more fun winning.
But first, we have to complete today's mission. Fill out the questions in Children's Own. What are the colors of the Jamaica flag? When did Jamaica gain independence? List the 3 Jamaican icons featured in this episode. Did you answer them all? Buy a copy of the Gleaner newspaper. Find the Children On section, fill out the questions, and you will earn your Watch and Win Cultural Icon Badge.
But don't forget, follow us on Instagram at Watch and Win Official. Remember to subscribe to the Television Jamaica YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment down below and tell us who your favorite cultural icon is. I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Madison.
See you next time!